Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises speed, precision, and versatility, the COOKTRON Double Induction Cooktop Burner. In a world where time is precious and cooking needs are diverse, this portable electric countertop burner aims to deliver. We've spent considerable time putting it through its paces, and we're ready to share our findings. Let's start with power. This COOKTRON unit boasts an 1800-watt dual burner system, which is designed for rapid heating. The claim is that it's faster than standard induction burners, and while faster can be subjective, our tests indicate a noticeable quickness in bringing water to a boil and searing food. The advertised higher heat conduction effect compared to traditional stoves seems to hold true, allowing for a range of cooking styles from steaming and boiling to frying and slow stewing. The granular control offered by the knob operation is a significant plus. Unlike some digital interfaces that jump between settings, the physical knob allows for more intuitive and precise adjustments to heat, which is crucial for delicate dishes. The ventilation duct design is also worth noting, as it appears to be effective in dissipating heat, which is vital for both the longevity of the unit and protecting your countertop. Safety is a paramount concern, especially in a busy kitchen environment. The COOKTRON Induction Cooktop includes a child safety lock, which is a smart feature for households with young children. It prevents accidental activation when the unit is not in use, offering peace of mind. Furthermore, the auto standby mode after 30 seconds of inactivity is a good energy-saving and safety measure. The residual heat indicator, displaying an H when the surface temperature exceeds 60 degrees Celsius, is a crucial safety feature that helps prevent accidental burns. The unit also has a system for detecting unsuitable operations and will stop functioning, displaying relevant codes, which adds another layer of safety and user guidance. When it comes to the user experience, the COOKTRON excels in its multi-setting capabilities. With 10 distinct temperature levels, adjustable from a low 140 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a searing 464 degrees Fahrenheit, and 9 power levels ranging from 200 to 1800 watts in 200-watt increments, you have a remarkable degree of control over your cooking. This fine-tuning is essential for achieving perfect results, whether you're gently simmering a sauce or quickly searing a steak. The sensitive touch buttons are responsive, making it easy to navigate through the settings. The timer function, adjustable from 1 minute up to a generous 4 hours, is also a valuable tool for precise cooking and ensures you don't overcook your meals. The compatibility and ease of cleaning are also important aspects. This induction cooker works with induction-compatible cookware ranging from 5 to 10 inches in diameter. This includes common materials like stainless steel, cast aluminum, cast iron, and enameled iron. The smooth, high-quality glass surface is a dream to clean. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is usually all that's needed to remove spills and splatters, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. This scratch-resistant and waterproof surface not only looks good but is also practical for everyday use. Portability and design are clear strengths for this unit. Measuring 22.05 by 12.20 by 1.90 inches and weighing just 5.84 pounds, it's incredibly compact and lightweight. This makes it an excellent option for those with limited kitchen space, RVs, dorm rooms, offices, or even for outdoor adventures like camping. Its sleek design also adds a touch of modern elegance to any setting. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: the rapid heating and high power output are impressive, significantly cutting down cooking times. The precise temperature and power level control allows for versatility in cooking methods. Safety features like the child lock and residual heat indicator are robust and reassuring. The intuitive knob control combined with responsive touch buttons offers a user-friendly experience. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable and ideal for small spaces. The glass surface is easy to clean and maintain. Cons: while versatile, it's important to note that it requires induction-compatible cookware. If your current pots and pans aren't induction-ready, you'll need to invest in new ones. The 1800-watt total power is split between 2 burners. While it heats quickly, using both burners at their maximum settings simultaneously might lead to a slight decrease in performance compared to using a single burner at full power. The product description doesn't delve into specific error codes, so understanding what they mean might require referring to a manual. In conclusion, the COOKTRON Double Induction Cooktop Burner is a compelling option for anyone seeking a fast, efficient, and controllable cooking solution. Its blend of power, precision, safety features, and portability makes it a highly versatile appliance. Whether you're looking to expand your cooking capabilities in a small kitchen, need a reliable backup burner, or want a portable cooking solution for off-site use, this unit delivers on many fronts. It's well-designed, user-friendly, and brings induction cooking convenience to a wider audience. Link in the description.